It can be challenging to lose weight, and while we all know that a healthy diet and exercise routine are vital, which one is more crucial? Should you go to the gym or eat salads? If you had to choose, you can burn a few hundred calories in a variety of ways, including sprinting for 20 minutes, surfing for an hour, or humming your favorite song 23 times. Would like to see more helpful tips and information on how to improve your health and lifestyle? Please consider subscribing to our channel to stay up to date with our latest content. In fact, we have a whole film just of bizarre methods to burn calories, but the fact remains that even with vigorous exercise, it takes time to burn off a significant number of calories, not to mention the additional challenge of traveling to the gym and then cleaning up afterward. Now contrast this with the caloric content of something like a chocolate bar, which is often over 200 calories. You could choose not to eat that chocolate bar, or you could walk for roughly an hour to burn those 200 calories. Which do you think is simpler? Why not give up those 2 Coke cans or run for 30 minutes each day? Many doctors point out that we could eliminate a lot of high sugar, high fat, high-calorie foods from our diet to start losing weight more quickly. Additionally, research tends to support the idea that diet is more important for weight loss than exercise. According to a 2011 meta-analysis of pediatric data, children's weight was not primarily influenced by their amount of physical activity. Additionally, a study involving 3,000 adults discovered that cutting calories was more effective at maintaining weight loss than exercise alone. Furthermore, research comparing industrialized and developing nations demonstrates that levels of physical activity are relatively similar in both, ruling out activity and exercise as likely causes of the industrial world's high rates of obesity. Of course, the best long-term gains would come from a mix of nutrition and exercise. Additionally, exercise has many health advantages besides just helping you lose weight, like slowing down aging and enhancing your mental state. But in the end, if your goal is to lose weight, concentrating on your diet first is probably going to be the best use of your time and money.